Now here's how you can activate roaming on your iPhone. So at first you need to head over to your settings, and then the main section for the connectivity is likely going to include the cellular section. And in there you might have the settings visible right away, but if you have like dual SIM, you need to choose which SIM card you want to go with, right? So you can tap on individual one and you can see like different things about it. And at the bottom, you have data roaming. So this essentially means that you can just toggle it on or disable it depending on your needs. So this is how you can do this on the level of your iPhone settings. Keep in mind that we're talking about the carriers and SIM cards. So in a lot of situations, you need to manage it through the carrier as well. So for example, I have an app from my carrier in which I have like different things to customize as well. Like I have the ability to choose and enable the roaming directly through the carrier. So not only on my iPhone, but also on the level of my carrier settings. This naturally heavily depends on your carrier and how they have it set up. They might have it in their app, they might not, but you can still just hit them up, just call them or whatever, get in touch and make sure that not only you activate it on your device, but also activate it on their level. So it is really simple that way. One more tip which I'm going to give you right now is that if you want to activate roaming, you might want to look into some kind of third-party SIM cards, which I've been using in the past, and I'm not affiliated. I'm not trying to push anything onto you, but I personally use a Holofly SIM card, which is a great travel eSIM, which you can just purchase and add to your phone, and you don't need to worry about roaming. You're not going to be worried about like, being overcharged for using data or whatever. And based on destination, I just picked like wherever I was traveling and I just purchased a SIM card, and it allowed me to have mobile data without using roaming on my main SIM. So just a tip for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and let me know below if you managed to get all of this to work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.